Hello and welcome. I am continuing my winter and holiday themed videos with a tutorial on how to make a custom holiday soap dish or trinket tray. If at any point in the video you find it to be too fast, just click on the instructional video for directions on how to slow it down. Links to all products I am using are in the description. Let's get started. I wasn't able to find a dish that I was envisioning. I wanted a soap dish or a trinket dish that had little trees embedded on the dish. So I purchased these wood trees and I covered them with UV resin to adhere them to a soap dish using the B7000 glue. Just make sure that you clean the dish with isopropyl alcohol, since we'll be making a mold of the dish, and then adhere the trees to the soap dish in whatever pattern you like and allow the glue to set. I am using a mold housing to make my mold, but any container may be used. I'm using a sheet of vinyl to make a container and placing the dish in the mold housing on the sticky vinyl to keep it in place. Mix about 600 milliliters of silicone and pour over the dish from a couple of feet above. You want to make sure that you're high above the piece that you're pouring into to eliminate bubbles. Fill the mold housing to about 1/4 of an inch above the item that you're molding and allow the silicone to cure per the manufacturer's instructions. Now that the mold is set, we're able to remove the mold from the housing and then carefully remove the dish. Here was the moment of truth for me to see whether or not what I had in my head was actually able to come out, and thankfully it did. Now that you've completely removed the dish and you have your mold ready, mix about 20 milliliters of resin and separate if you want multiple shades of green for the trees. Then you're going to want to just pour the green resin into the tree sections of the mold only and allow that to cure. Now that the trees are cured, I'm mixing an additional 3 ounces of resin, and I'm adding just a small amount of glitter to the entire cup and mixing to incorporate, and pouring the resin to fill the mold. And I'm going to spray it lightly with some isopropyl alcohol to remove bubbles and allow it to cure per the manufacturer's instructions. Now that the resin is cured, I'm going to demold, and the soap dish, or if you plan to use it as a trinket tray, is now complete and ready to use or give to another this holiday season. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, share, and press the bell to be alerted to future videos I post. We'll now take a look at the finished product.